Hi all, Tina's Tips here. This is for all the seasons. We've all had those stuffy noses and congested sinuses and chest area, etc. So here's a few tips. Lemon is a natural cleanser, right? So you could take the lemon, you could tip it over, push it across the forehead. There's many other things listed here that lemon can do. Then you would take the lavender and do the same. You're going to layer. You're going to leave a little bit of time for it to soak in, just a few seconds. You're going to take the lavender and do the same across the forehead. And lavender is your natural antihistamine. Of course, many other benefits to lavender. Do the same with the peppermint. Tip it over, across the forehead. So you're layering these three, the lemon, got your cleanser, the lavender, your natural antihistamine, and your mint that's going to drive it in deeper, right? So it's going to get in there and it's really going to help with those sinus headaches, those just all that seasonal stuff that we get in the fall, in the spring, etc., right? So there's your peppermint. And then finally, you can actually take it internally. All three of these you could take internally. You can make it with your own veggie cap and put 2 drops of each in there. Or you could just use the Tri-Ease. The Tri-Ease already has 2 drops of each, lemon, lavender, and peppermint in there to help with those seasonal times of the year. This has been Tina's Tips. Hope you're having a wonderful weekend. Thanks.